Oh my god, that is not Simply Nessa. That is not her. I'm sorry, excuse this like mask. Like this is not me. Hey guys, I don't even feel comfortable saying hey girlies. No, not this time. Today we're gonna be doing a glow up. I know you guys may have seen my Instagram, like, no girl, you're glowing on the gram. Oh girl, don't be fooled. Those photos were taken like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. This is what I look like every day. And I'm honestly just sick and tired of it. I used to be that girl that would get ready in the morning, do my makeup, do my hair. Even if I had nowhere to go, I was that bitch sitting on the couch. And now I'm this bitch sweating and melting in the bed. You know what? We're gonna fix this. I got a whole new skincare line thanks to TikTok forcing me to buy it at 1 in the morning. I have some weave, I got a wig. I don't know if I'm gonna go through with putting the wig on because I already know that I'm gonna end up putting a headband or a hat on it because I don't know how to install wigs properly anymore. We got some new makeup products. Why did I buy lip plumper? I don't know. I got 2 new outfits. We're gonna be putting some nails on. I already did my eyebrows last night because I don't trust anybody else with my eyebrows, which I probably should because what did I do a couple weeks ago? I shaved them off completely in the front. Like, I want to be that girl again. Like, what happened to her? We miss her. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be trying out some new products. So this is like the first time. This is like trial and error. If some of these products end up burning my face off, we're gonna continue. So let's get into this birthday pop out transformation glow up look. Okay, so starting with the skincare, I already washed my face because I wanted to see if it would literally like melt my skin. I have such sensitive skin, so like anything I touch or like put on it, it turns red, it peels, it gets dry, it gets crusty. I wanted to wash my face first so I wouldn't have to keep going back and forth. She's pregnant, she's lazy. So this is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow line. So this is the toner, the dewdrops, and the moisturizer. These are supposed to really make your skin look bomb. And right now, like, I'm having a girl and she is sucking the life out of me. And I just, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this toner on my, I just spilled that all over my laptop. Why is my laptop on the floor, you may be asking and wondering. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna hope that that doesn't like, damn, girl. That like instantly soaked into my fingers. Try that again. So you're supposed to just like pat this on your face. I don't know why I'm rubbing it in. You know what? Next, we're gonna put on the dewdrops. And let's see, I don't know why I opened that so aggressively. So you just have to put a couple drops of this all over my face. And then we put the moisturizer. It smells like that watermelon lip balm from when we were kids. Like, do you remember going to Walmart or Target? Nah, I didn't go to Target. I went to Walmart. Target was too bougie at the time. You were at Walmart and you would see at the like cashier section, they would have those pack of lip glosses, like those roller ones. This smells like that watermelon one, 100%. It smells so good. You know, my memory went back that far after smoking so much. Okay, last step, moisturizer. Okay, so I'm starting to look a little glossy, but I still look dead. Couple drops of moisturizer. Look bad yet? Like, am I giving you bad? All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the makeup. So we're gonna be using like my usual like foundation and stuff, but I did add a couple of like new products that we're gonna be using today. I also have clean brushes. I know. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the foundation. We're gonna be using a little CoverGirl because we're expensive. Let's go ahead and blend her in. Apparently, also people are saying like, oh, my makeup went on so smooth after using these products. They might have been right. Okay. My foundation is actually going on really smooth. I don't have a beauty blender anymore because my dog decided to chew it while I was sitting on live yesterday. Literally was sitting right next to me. I'm like, oh, she has her dog toy in her mouth. No, my beauty blenders. Hey, you guys, hold on. My foundation just went on so evenly and so smooth. And I just put like 2 little drops. And y'all saw that oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer because she needs to conceal. Like, I'm really trying to get my stuff together, you guys. Like, I finally changed my contacts. I bought new contact lenses. I've been wearing the same ones for like 3.5, 4 months. I know, how did I not go blind or get an eye infection? Who knows? I'm just so like, wow, the skincare just made such a difference. Now I'm gonna go ahead with some baking powder because I feel like I have to. Pat that underneath. Maybe one of these days I'll learn how to properly contour with like cream and all that stuff, but for right now, we're just gonna go with this. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take some Hoola Caramel Bronzer. I used to use the regular Hoola, but I feel like that one was way too dark for my skin tone, so if that's a problem for you, they have a caramel colored one. You should try it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some blush on. I probably do my makeup completely opposite than other people. I always do like the face first and then I go to like the eyes. So this is the ColourPop Land Gummy More Super Shock Cheek. And it looks like this. And put that on. On TikTok they said not to put it like over here and to focus it on like up here. Next, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is in the color Hustle Baby. Put some of that on my nose. She's glowing. And then I'm just going to put some going up here. Oh, nice. I put it on the pimple. Yes, let's highlight the acne. What is one thing that you miss the most that COVID and like this whole panoramic has like taken away? Like you used to get your eyelashes done all the time, your eyebrows, your nose hairs. I mean, no, I'm curious, like what's one thing that you basically had to like completely stop doing or you had to learn to do yourself because you don't have the option to go and get it? Should I actually try to do that like cat eye thing that people do? Am I gonna completely flop if I try to do that? Okay, this is somewhat working so far. Okay, girl. Okay, we're gonna do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna put lashes on so it could like complete all of that. I'm gonna make girlfriends out here so bad that like actually know how to do their makeup and they go like sit there and teach me. Okay, not the best, but they don't look that bad. As soon as I said that, all the birds outside started chirping. They're probably like, bitch, you look like shit. Can't even see the wing that I just did. What was even the point? I should have cut these in half and only did like a half lash. But now it's too late because I already put the glue down. So if I try to like take it off, it's just gonna like melt everything and make it look all messed up. Now that we're done with all of this, we're gonna move on to the lips. So this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I do not need to use this. My stomach is growling. Oh my gosh. Did I even put enough? Do I have to put like a lot of this on? Oh, dang! That just made my top lip so fat. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put like the actual color on top. So this is House Laboratories by Miss Lady Gaga herself, and this is in the color La Riot. You can't even like see the color because my lips are so like inflamed. I think we're probably gonna do the extensions just because I don't know how to install wigs, and realistically if I try to put this on I'm just gonna end up putting a freaking hat on it. Anybody here in Nevada, well not just Nevada, if you live in Vegas or Henderson, Summerlin, those surrounding areas, and you install wigs, please hit me up in the comments. I read all my comments. Hit me up on Instagram, DM me, tweet at me, say girl I do hair. Because I would love to actually have this like installed so I could have my hair braided underneath and protected so I can stop touching it. And the reason I say hopefully it looks okay is because I just took these scissors and I chopped my hair up the other day. I just kept chopping all the like bad dead pieces of hair. So I'm pretty sure my hair is at least like 5 different lengths. Okay, we're in a different room now. It's time to get this hair done. I'm actually scared to like straighten it and see what it looks like because I gave myself a haircut the other day and I have a really strong feeling I didn't do a good job. I was actually gonna use wigs for this video for like the whole transformation, but if you were on my Instagram live a couple days ago you would have seen the wigs. I got my hair kind of even. Wow, I'm actually surprised. Nobody asked and nobody probably cares, but like does anybody else like Church's chicken? Or is that like gross? Because Anthony thinks it's like the grossest thing. Like he'll eat Popeyes, but he thinks Church's chicken is like the bottom of like the barrel of like chicken. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. The fact that it touches my shoulders is crazy to me because, like I told you guys, I've been cutting my hair every like 2 weeks, maybe like about this much. I'm like chopping off like just all around. These pieces right here are finally growing in. They were stuck all the way up here and it's finally freaking growing. I know it's probably because I'm pregnant. It's probably like the prenatals and like all the like vitamins, and I'm eating a lot, so I'm also eating healthier. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these extensions in. Hopefully they like blend in properly because like as you can see my hair, like I just went like the extensions that I'm using today are from Zala Hair. I know some people on TikTok like bringing that up for the 30th time. We're saying they had bad experiences with Zala, but I've been using this company, like they've never sponsored me and like sent me hair for review, and I've been purchasing from them since maybe like 2016 or 2017, and I've gone through maybe like 4 or 5 sets, not because I needed to, but because like I move so much and I keep losing my hair. But I've never had a problem with them, and they don't know it's me, like an influencer, ordering from them, you know what I mean? The set that I'm using right now is their 9-piece set, except I only have 8 because my dog chewed one of the like 1-clip ones. So the extensions are all in now. Now I'm gonna go and get some argan oil just to like blend all these little flyaways. I don't use hairspray anymore. I don't know why. I just don't like the smell of it. Like it just like makes me like nauseous. Guys, so the hair is in. Oh my goodness. Like I already look like a completely different person. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the nails. I'm excited about these just because they're such a good deal. So I know a lot of people sell like press-on nails, like they custom make them for you, but like they always charge like $20 around there. I got these for $5. So if these end up being like legit, then I'm just gonna go ahead and link it below for you guys, and then you guys can go and get them from there because like $5, come on now. Let me show you guys what they look like. So they're clear and they have some like little butterfly designs on them. And then I bought some like little nail glue. I'm just gonna go ahead and just start like sticking them on. Last time I tried to do press-on nails, they just kept popping off and I only had like 2 on by the end of the day. Hopefully these actually stay. Ta-da! One's on. I feel like a girl again. So I'm done putting all the nails on. It's a pack of 24, so you do have a lot of extra in case like one pops off and like you can't find it or whatever. But wow, like let me see if I can like have it focus on the nails so you guys can like see the butterfly design. But like wow, these were only $5. I'm so happy. So now that we have the nails, we have the hair, we have the glowy skin, the makeup, I'm just like fish. So now we have 2 outfits that I purchased. So the first set we have is this like long sleeve like top that opens, and then it has a little mini skirt. And then the second outfit that I have is a dress, but it only has 1 sleeve. So your neck goes through here and it has 1 sleeve. But then I also got some sunglasses to like go with it. So we have like these gigantic freaking glasses. I also found these for I think like, pretty sure these were maybe like $8 or $10. I'm sure you could find them cheaper somewhere else, but like, she's such a bad bitch. Okay, so here's the first look. I feel like I literally look, oh my goodness. I feel like I look like a Fashion Nova advertisement. Girl. Hi. I don't know why I told myself, you have to wear maternity clothes. Girl, I'm gonna just start ordering things in a large. Am I giving y'all something right now? Is this cute? It feels so good to like get yourself ready and like really see your full potential. Why do I feel cuter now, even though I have like the belly and everything, than from like before when I was like actually working out and trying? Girl. Okay, give yourself a glow up. Like just to like, if you're feeling down, girl, just put on some moisturizer, some fake nails, and some Amazon sunglasses and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it for today's little giving myself a baddie makeover. Now that I see what I can actually look like, I think I'm gonna start trying more again. Obviously like putting on makeup and stuff shouldn't like change your whole life, but like it feels good to, you know, get ready and just like feel like that bitch for once in a while, you know what I mean? Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm gonna start uploading for you guys every couple of days, so I hope you're enjoying these like random little videos. But I hope today's video introduced you to a couple new products. And that's all I have to say. Hi. I will see you guys all in my next video.